right, let's talk weather once again right now with Chief Meteorologist Jeremy Good. We have a weather impact alert, and just the last 7 days for everyone in the weather department, exhausting.
I know, and it's not giving up anytime soon. We have a lot of active weather, not just tonight, but in the days to come. Tonight is kind of the biggest of it all. We are under a weather impact alert through tomorrow morning for strong wind gusts. Those wind gusts will likely be up near 55 to even maybe 58 miles per hour. That is strong enough to prompt wind advisories from the National Weather Service. Those will remain in effect through 7 a.m. tomorrow as well. Strongest winds likely going to be around 11 p.m. But I would say peak is anywhere from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Eventually they'll start to slide and die down, but I would say you're not really in the clear until after 1 o'clock in the morning Tuesday. So 1 o'clock tonight or tomorrow morning, however you want to break that down. Tomorrow, wind will die down throughout the day. A nice pleasant afternoon. Wednesday, wind will pick up, and Thursday it dies back down. Strongest winds going to be overnight Wednesday into Thursday again. It's kind of a wild ride these next couple of days, all as an atmospheric river takes aim at the region. Here's our storm. We know a storm in southern British Columbia brings us wind. Here's our atmospheric river. We know an atmospheric river brings us rain and a huge bump in temperatures. So with our highs up near 50 degrees and a ton of rain in the forecast, we have melt, runoff, and rainwater to be concerned about in terms of flooding. We saw a ton of rain already today. That rain now moving up into the mountains, both the Cascades and the Northern Rockies. That will eventually die down tonight. Tomorrow morning, we catch a bit of a break. But by tomorrow night, we get our next push. So everything moves down to the south. And then tomorrow night, we get our next push of moisture moving in. And I think by this time tomorrow, we'll start to watch that rain take over. That's our big warm push. Notice the Cascades. It's all rain. Notice the giant majority of North Idaho is rain. Unfortunately, it just looks like it's going to be that kind of warm as this system moves in. We're talking a ton of moisture over the course of the next few days. A ton of moisture that doesn't look to end anytime soon. You run out long-range weather forecasts and it looks hot and wet for a while. This is the next 2 weeks, and if you're doing math, that gets us pretty close to Christmas. This December is going to be one for the books, likely a very wet one, and likely one of the warmest we have ever seen.